Hey guys, we're gonna be shooting our mom while she's making dinner as like a stealth mission and trying to shoot her with Nerf guns. I got the Jolt Nerf. Paxton's got like the Nerf Ultra or whatever that brand is. Blue one with the scope. And we're gonna go shoot our mom. Alright, here we go. Let's go. She's downstairs right now. Me and Paxton are both speeder man. It's hard to breathe in this thing.
Hello?
We're doing this. We got it. Yes, victory.
No!
That's in the shower too. Oh my gosh. So that's it for the video, guys.
No, now we need to get our dad.
No, he's working, Paxton. Alright, that's it for the video, guys.